There's nothing wrong with just doing something just because you want to do it, or wanting to try something new that might conflict with what you've told yourself you were. We want new challenges. We get bored with the world if it's stagnant. When we reach that boredom, we get close to being burnout. And to take a break from what we're doing, we focus on something else. Even a short distraction can be beneficial, but depending on your level of burnout, you might need something much larger, some shift in your environment to create that process of recovery. And the thing is, you might not realize you're at a point of needing that shift, that break, because we get in this rhythm. And if you're building your architecture firm, you know that it's a lot of long hours and it takes a lot of dedication. But at some point it hits you and you feel like you just can't put in much more, and you need to kind of step away because something is not working. And we get this feeling, you need to listen to it. You need to find some separation, take a breather, see if you can focus on something different, spend some time outside, take in another activity. This will allow your mind, which is obsessing at this point, to take kind of a breather. It'll allow you to open up. Just stepping away can offer new insights into what it is that you're struggling with. Take a step back and it'll make it easier to find a resolution to what it is you're struggling with.